Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's really been a while, and we are back now. So, real quick, we're going to be looking at how to spell melodies with using triads. So, first thing we should look at is what is a triad. Triad is a combination of three notes. It's a three-note chord. So if you have C, E, and G, it makes this a triad. You have F, C, F, A, and T. This is a triad. So now, what I want us to look at is how can we make this? How can we spell out melodies of songs using this? So now I have let me pick this song. So I'm doing this on the key of C. So you have so now how do I form triads with this melody? I pick this is one, which is do. So what I do is I now pick an inversion of this do, which is this. This is do, is this, but I pick the inversion that has this melody as the leading note. So I have this. You understand? I do the same thing. So I have me. I pick it. So I can just say this is how I treat the triads. You have or still same. You get so do re mi fa sol la ti do. So I have you can see it. So I did. So let me break this down. First chord is na ra. So I do that again. Na ra na ra. Then I had this. I think this stuff. I think I heard it from Mastercraft. So I have. And one thing you should understand, check out my lessons on slow. You understand some of all these things that this stuff I'm doing. You can see them. So and okay, one thing you should know, I've always said in my videos, you should know that this stuff doesn't work for everything. You understand? So you have to improvise. Well, because Let's pick another song now. Let's think of another song. Let me see. You will never ever change. So let's look at that. You will never ever change. So you have right. What am I doing here? So lost. Right. So you have I do that again. Oof. So I can. I'm even sometimes I'm used to extending. Yes, for the, let me just do the triads. Not again. So you can see. So what am I doing? Melody. So you have right. So you can see here, here, yeah. You understand? So you have E, E, and C. So C then to this. So I have my 5/4. You can see it's very simple. What did I do here? Passing chord. Same triad. Well, I think I'll do this lesson on how to, do passing chords using these triads instead of like this. Today's one is for melodies. Yes. So you will never change. I repeat it. So sometimes if I can do. I just bypassed the triad so that I can change. I just changed the voicing. So. So you can see you can recreate this on different songs. You can pick out the melody. Like I said, the melody of the song is what you use to build a triad. So you have one. That's the melody, right? Depending on what the voicing sounds like, you can have a triad that goes like this. You can have a triad that goes like this. Do you understand? You can have a triad that goes like this. You can have a triad that goes like this. So, depending on the melody of the voicing, of the song rather. So I have la. You get that. When I did nara, I did. You see, same placement or same melody, but different voicing. So, so boy. You can see different. So just understand. Just understand the voicing pattern. What does the chord? What does your left hand chord requires? Is it? Are you doing a 1? Are you doing a 6? You get? If you're doing a six now, you know you cannot you. It's not every six that you might use this. There are every six that you might use this. You understand? Depending on what you want to create. So pick the melody. Um, find the triad that is associated with that melody. Then walk them down. Same thing is all these are triad. So thank you guys for staying to the end of this lesson. See you in our next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. God bless you. Cheers.